So your English class. Now the topic is sentence and kinds of sentences. Clear? Sentence and kinds of sentences. Clear? You know what is sentence? What is a sentence? Clear? Give some example. Clear? So what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes a clear sense. Clear? Or you may write a group of words which makes a group of words which makes a complete sense is called a sentence. Clear? So next examples. Number 1, I am playing cricket. Clear? Number 2, we do not make a noise. Clear? 3, what is your name? 4, please give me a book. Clear? And number 5, obey your parents. These are all examples of sentences. So next point is kind of sentences. Clear? Kinds of sentences. Clear? How many kinds of sentences in English grammar? Name them. Clear? So how many kinds of sentences in English grammar do you know? There are 5 kinds of sentences in English grammar. Clear? So there are 5 kinds of sentences in English grammar. Number 1, assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. You know assertive sentence? Assertive sentences is divided into 2 categories. Number 1, positive or affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentence. And number 2, negative sentence. Clear? Assertive sentence means affirms or negates the fact. Affirms means positive or affirmative, and negates means negative sentence. Clear? Example, I am playing cricket. Clear? And negative sentence, example, we do not make a noise. Clear? Students, do you understand what is assertive sentence? And number 2, interrogative sentence. You know what is interrogative sentence? Number 2, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means ask a questions or inquire. Ask a questions or inquire. And at last you give the interrogation mark. Clear? Example, what is your name? Number 2, do you play hockey? Clear? At last all sentences are interrogative mark. Clear? Number 3, where do you live? Clear? This is known as interrogative sentence. Next, number 3, imperative sentence. Imperative, you know what is imperative sentence? Expresses or expressing a request, an order, or a command. Clear? Example, please give me a book. Number 2, stand up on the bench. Clear? This is request and this is order. All times the teacher ordered the students, stand up on the bench, open your book, get out from the class. These types of sentences are known as imperative sentence. When unknown person asks you, so please give me a glass of water. So please is a request. Clear? So you clear what is imperative sentence? So next is optative sentence. You know optative sentence? Optative sentence. Optative sentence here express wishing. Clear? Or pray to God. Clear? Example, may God bless you. Clear? Number 2, may you live long. Clear? This is known as optative sentence. And the last sentence is exclamatory sentence. Number 5, exclamatory sentence. You know what is exclamatory sentence? Express a wish, express a joy or sad. And all these sentences are coming from your heart. Clear? That is example. hooray, HURRAAs. This sign is exclamatory signs, clear? Exclamation mark. Hooray, we have won the match. Clear? Number 2, alas. Alas means sorrow. Clear? I am undone. So students, you clear what is sentence and kinds of sentences?